Promotional videos on YouTube, 28.44 lakhs. B. Sir, Planning Department, Government of Meghalaya. C. No, sir. D. Sir, the funds were reappropriated. E. Sir, the payment of 29.44 lakh was made directly to YouTube Google Ad account 618-234-8095, sir.
Bah Adelbert, your supplementary question.
Honorable Minister, I may seek another clarification. In regards to the total amount spent from government funds in the quarters before that, that is quarter ending December 2022. Just specific in regards to December.
So actual budget 22-23 is 26,55,332. 26 crores 55 lakhs 32,000.